Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to do a candle holder that I was inspired by ZGallerie, and also I've seen these in several stores. I even purchased a set and even recreated a set before. But I decided I wanted to do this one because it just popped back up on ZGallerie in blue, and I thought that would be fabulous. So I'm going with a blue paint. So you will need 2 of the Dollar Tree plastic. These are the plastic. I'm not sure if they're vase or vase or vase. It says vase on there. So you'll need 2 of the plastic vase from the Dollar Tree. You'll need 2 of the Dollar Tree napkin rings. You will need, well, gems of your choice. I'm going with these gems I've shared with you guys before and absolutely love working with them. They have rubber, the back has rubber on it. So this is the way it looks. I love it. It's like a gel. Gel would probably be the best description. And I got those from Hobby Lobby. They're $9.99 and you can use a coupon on it. You will also need the Dollar Tree plastic bowl. I decided to go with plastic because I'm already working with plastic, so that's what we're gonna be working with. You'll definitely need your glue gun and your glue sticks, your scissors, and we could go outside and start spray painting these 2. I'm thinking I'm going to try to paint on the inside versus the outside. So let's go and see how that turned out. So while my base is drying, I'm going to start to decorate my top. So what I did, I went around and add the trimming to the napkin rings. And now I want to basically share with you how I achieve that. So this is absolutely gorgeous, guys. And so if you can see the stone in the middle, that's going to be my divider. So I want to wrap the top of my plate with the trimming. So I'm going to lay some glue down onto the plate, the trim of the plate on the back side. I hope you can see that. I'm just focusing on the back for right now. Then I'm going to place my trim right in the center because I want it to flip over. Hope I'm describing that to you correctly. So this is pretty much what it's going to look like. So half in the back and half in the front. So now I want to go ahead and take the glue, go up under and lay a generous amount of glue down, outline it, and then press down. Go all the way around and press. If there's extra glue, you can let it dry and then go back and clean it up. But this is pretty much what we're looking for to get your gems all the way around. So after you've cleaned up, gotten rid of your cobwebs, you want to go ahead and lay your plate down, take your napkin ring and add a generous amount of glue. So this is how it turned out. Love the blue. It's a navy blue and I love, love, love that. And so what I want to do is go ahead and add my stand first, and then I think I may add some embellishment. So add a generous amount of glue. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. Absolutely love, love, love the way that they look. Very elegant, inexpensive, quick and easy candle holder. Now, I mentioned before that these candle holders were inspired by the ZGallerie with a little touch of glam. All right, I hope you love the way that they turned out. If you do, give me a thumbs up and please share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time, your support, and your comments. I truly look forward to your comments and look forward to seeing you on my next DIY.